Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in GK we will study who invented what and when. You can see here three columns are given here. Name of inventor, name of invention and year name. Alexander Graham Bell, a Scottish scientist, invented telephone in 1876. Martin Cooper, an American engineer of Motorola Company, invented first mobile phone in 1973. Guglielmo Marconi, an Italian inventor, invented radio in 1895 to 96. Philo Taylor Farnsworth, an American inventor, invented television in 1927. Karl von Reis, German inventor, invented bicycle in 1817. That time bicycle was not having any pedals and known as swift walker. You can see here bicycle with no pedals known as swift walker. Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach, German inventors, they invented motorcycle, first gas engine in 1885. Carl Benz, German inventor, invented car in 1886. Thomas Savery of England, he invented steam engine in 1698, a machine to help pump water out of coal mine. Thomas Newcomen, an English inventor. He invented the first commercially successful steam engine in 1712. James Watt, Scottish inventor. He improved Newcomen's steam engine. In 1781. Richard Trevithick, a British engineer. He invented the first full-scale working railway steam locomotive train engine in 1804. George Stephenson, an English civil engineer. He invented the first public steam railway locomotion number 1 in 1829. Wright brothers, Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright of America, they invented aeroplane in 1903. Benjamin Franklin, British American polymath, he invented electricity in 1752. Humphrey Davy, an English scientist, he invented first electric light in 1802. Thomas Alva Edison, USA, he invented long-lasting electric light bulb in 1879. Willis Haviland Carrier, an American engineer, he invented electrical air conditioning system AC air conditioner in 1902. Charles Babbage, an English mathematician and inventor, He invented automatic digital computer in the mid 1830s. Peter Hellin of Nuremberg, Germany. He invented watch in 1505. Galileo Galilei, an Italian inventor. He invented thermometer in 1593. Thermometer, temperature measuring device. He used in thermometer water as the liquid and glass bulbs inside an open tube. Another updated thermometer was invented by Santorio Sanitori, an Italian inventor. In 1612, he used a numerical scale on the thermoscope. And again, another thermometer was updated in 1654, invented by Ferdinand II, Duke of Tuscany. He made first sealed glass tube. It contained alcohol and had a numerical scale. Modern thermometer was invented in 1709 by Daniel Fahrenheit, Dutch German, and till 1714 he developed more clearly, more powerfully, and that till then it was known as mercury thermometer. Mercury thermometer in 1714 he developed mercury thermometer. Yes guys, actually he invented it 1709, but he just updated more powerful way, and by using mercury, and that's why it is known as mercury thermometer. Modern thermometer is known as mercury thermometer, and he updated it in 1714. Who? Daniel Fahrenheit, Dutch German. Barometer. Barometer was invented by Evangelista Torricelli. Evangelista Torricelli, an Italian physicist, in 1643. Barometer, it measures atmospheric pressure. A device which measures atmospheric pressure. Barometer. A device which measures atmospheric pressure. And who invented? Evangelista Torricelli in 1643. Von Bosch, an Austrian scientist, invented sphygmomanometer in 1881. BP instrument. Sphygmomanometer, BP instrument. It measures blood pressure. Mercury sphygmomanometer. Yes guys, mercury sphygmomanometer, modern BP instrument, was invented in 1896 by Scipione Riva-Rocchi. Scipione Riva-Rocchi, an Italian pathologist. Camera. Camera was invented in 1685 by Johann Zahn, a German author. Yes, author. but he invented camera in 1685. But this camera was not capable to click photograph. And Joseph Joseph Nicephore Niepce, French inventor, first time he took photograph. He took he took photograph by his camera in 1814. That's the reason I have written here. But the first photograph was clipped by Joseph Nicephore Niepce, French inventor, in 1814. Pencil. Pencil was invented by Nicolas Jacques Conti, French painter, in 1795. Guys, but this is modern pencil. Means pencil got his shape in 1795 by Nicolas Jacques Conti. But lead pencil was invented in 1564 when a huge graphite mine was discovered. But pencil got its shape in 1795 by Nicolas Jacques Conti, French painter. Fountain pen, a nib pen, was invented in 1827 by Petrarch Ponaru, Romanian inventor. Petrarch Ponaru. He invented fountain pen, a nib pen, in 1827. In 1827, ballpoint pen or ball pen was invented by John J. Loud, American inventor. In 1888, and more updated ball pen or ballpoint pen, modern ball pen, was invented by Laszlo Biro in 1930, and Laszlo Biro sold his first ballpoint pen in 1938. He was Argentine-Hungarian inventor. Schuyler Scarts-Wheeler. Schuyler Scarts-Wheeler, an American electrical engineer. He invented electric fan in 1882. And ceiling fan was invented by Philip H. Dial, German-American mechanical engineer, in 1889. Paper. Paper was firstly invented by Ceylon, and we also pronounce Kylan, but both names are same for same person, Ceylon or Kylan, a Chinese who started first paper making industry in 105. But guys, history of paper is 200 BC. Ink. Ink is having very much old history. 5,000 years, means 2500 BC. It was invented in 2500 BC. The first writing ink was invented by the Egyptian and Chinese. No inventors. 5,000 old history it is having. 2500 BC old history it is having. Who? Which one? Ink. The first writing ink was invented by the Egyptian and the Chinese in which year? 2500 BC. Okay guys, take care. Thank you so much.